In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ASUS ZenBook not turning on. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present multiple solutions to address any issues that you might be having with your ASUS ZenBook. Regardless of the model, you will be able to follow these steps and check for any issues. So, to start with basic troubleshooting, including the power source. Make sure that the power connector is truly inserted, so double check the connection and see if there is any sort of indicator that the laptop is indeed charging. So usually this will be a specific LED light that flashes or lights up. If you notice that it isn't being charged when you plug it in, then try a different power outlet. It is very important that you ensure that it is receiving enough power. So after you switch the power source and you ensure that it is properly getting battery, I would give it up to an hour or however much time is needed for it to charge fully. You can still go ahead and attempt to power it on now, but by letting it charge fully, you will be able to ensure that it is going to work, especially if you haven't used it for a while. So once you believe that it has sufficient battery, all that you have to do is go ahead and press the power button on your keyboard or a dedicated one. See if it works. If it still does not work, even after you let it charge for a good amount of time, then what I would recommend is to press and hold the power button for up to a minute. By doing this, you are going to flush out the capacitors, so any remaining power on the actual laptop will be flushed out, ensuring that you can get a fresh power up. If it still is giving you trouble, even after you let it charge fully and even after you flush out the capacitors, then I would recommend undoing the back screws and opening it up through the back cover. In here, you are going to be able to ensure that all of the components are thoroughly inserted. So maybe because you moved your laptop around a lot, the RAM sticks or any other components might come loose. All that you have to do is give them a quick nudge to make sure that they are properly inserted into place. So insert them if needed, and you can do the same with the battery. If all of this fails and you are still unable to get it to work, then sadly it could be a factory defect or something else entirely. And because advanced fixes might not be suitable for everyone, I would highly recommend talking to the ASUS customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS ZenBook not turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.